My name is Ariel, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how to back loop only, or BLO. This is a stitch that you can use with single crochet, single stitch, a double stitch, or a triple stitch, kind of whatever you prefer. It's definitely a great tool to put in your arsenal. So like and subscribe. Okay, so today I will be teaching you how to back stitch. I am using acrylic yarn. It's the Loops and Threads Soft Classic. This color is Amethyst. Today we're going to start with a slip knot. So let me put my hook down. This is a 5.5 millimeter hook as well. And that is a slip knot. I'm going to tighten it and then grab my hook. I want this to be about 13 inches. So I'm just going to chain until I get to that desired length. Okay, now that we've reached our desired length in the chain, we are going to chain one more, and this we're going to do a single crochet in each one. Loop in, pull through. You have two on there. Pull around, loop in. Pull through, loop in, pull through, pull in. We're gonna do that all the way down.
Something I could do. I could be running or I'm chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive.